are the NerdBots, Team 14353 from Canton, Michigan. Today we are going to show you different ways to do outreach for your FTC robotics team.
One easy way to do outreach is by volunteering. You can volunteer at a local food bank or soup kitchen and help sort and package food. You can also volunteer to help people with disabilities and seniors.
You can also take the opportunity to do projects for your community. For one outreach project, we made Lego ornaments. For each Lego ornament that we made, Lego would donate a Lego set to someone. We also made masks and other PPE to donate to people in need during the COVID-19 pandemic.
A different thing you can do as outreach is to mentor other teams. You can mentor FLL teams or any other type of robotics teams if they need help. By teaching them new skills, they can learn much more advanced things and increase their knowledge of robotics, projects, coding, and much more. This is also a good way to get future team members.
Another idea related to mentoring FLL teams is to have a Kickstart event. We held a booster pack and invited FLL teams over at the beginning of the season so they could get a kickstart on things like programming an EV3, having good projects, and we even had mentor-to-mentor talks.
During fundraising events, you can bring your robot and let people drive around. This is a great way to interact with the community and spread FIRST awareness easily. One way to do outreach and meet other teams is to hold scrimmages. This is great because you can learn from each other and help each other out. Another team also invited us to STEM Fest, where we showed people our robot and spread FIRST awareness.
You can also schedule events at schools and libraries where people can come in and drive your robot. You can also inform people of what the FIRST program is, and if people are interested, hand out flyers.
Thanks for watching, and we hope you have some new ideas on how to do outreach. Bye!